Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy carrot and orange salad with a bit of extra virgin olive oil too. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have the full recipe as well as adaptations for other ingredients you can include in your salad. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know how you enjoy this salad. So it's really simple. We're going to start by peeling and grating our carrots into a bowl. So I've used my peeler. I've peeled the first of my carrots and now I'm really just going to grate them all. I'm using the largest of my box grater and I'll just grate all of the carrots. Carrot is all grated and I have a beautiful bowl full of grated carrot. Pretty simple. Now I'm moving on to the orange, and it's up to you if you want to cut it into segments or do what I'm going to do. And I am going to grate the zest, so I'm going to grate all the zest and then I'm just going to squeeze all the juice out of it. So I want the orange juice and I want the orange zest. That's just what I want. I want to keep this nice and simple with my carrot. So I'll get on and grate all the zest now. So I'm just busy using the smaller holes on my grater to just grate. Oh, it smells so fragrant and orange. Just get all of the zest into the salad and then we'll do the juice. Okay, I'm happy with that, and just use a spoon to get all of the rind out and then we'll add the juice. I love the bright, vibrant orange color of the salad, and you can see the zest is there, and we'll just mix it all through and there'll just be that lovely tang of orange. And then with the orange juice, I like to use a sieve just to catch in case there are any pips. That will get all of the juice all over. It's up to you if you want to use half of the orange, the whole orange. You could even add lime instead, or as well as to make it a real citrus tangy salad if you want. And the other half of the orange. There you go, that is perfect. Now you could add a whole salad dressing to this if you like, but as I've added the orange already, I feel like just orange and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil kind of make a makeshift dressing. So I'm just going to drizzle over a tablespoon. You could add as much as you want. I would just say taste it and see. You don't want a big oily salad, but a nice tablespoon. Might even add another one just to bring everything all together. Yeah, just not even... making so much noise today. Not even a whole tablespoon, just about that much. We'll just keep it nice and moist. Perfect. But yeah, you can add more, you can add as much as you want. And now we'll just add a little shake of salt. There we go. You can add salt, pepper, whatever you like to taste. And a final stir through. And now this actually does best with a while in the fridge. So I'm making this in the morning, we're going out and about, and when we come home this will be ready to have for lunch, and you can enjoy it just as it is. I am going to cook up some halloumi and have a bit of fried halloumi with it. Halloumi with this will just go so beautifully. My husband is not a fan of halloumi, so he might add some chickpeas to his. I'm just going to give a handful on the side to my kids with their meal. And that's pretty much it. So that is the video for today for this beautiful, it smells so good, but definitely some time in the fridge will just help all those flavors marry up together. But yeah, as I said, the recipe will be down below, so click through to pin, bookmark and save whenever you want to make this salad. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too, letting me know if you give this lovely zesty salad a try. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.